friends. I am back. I hope you have been enjoying my new podcast. I just made that one word. That was very strange. I hope you also are enjoying watching me trying to snap my bodysuit here. I am back with another style video for you today, and I'm wearing pink underwear, so, life happens. The top I got secondhand. Everything I wear is always credited in the description below. I got a pack of these tights on Amazon for for Amazon prices, like 3 pairs of tights. I like them nice and sheer. And I find that some of the more expensive brands of sheer tights are really shiny because they're meant to not run very easy, but I really hate the shininess, so I'd honestly rather buy a cheap pair that's gonna run and not have that weird shiny leg. This skirt is from Hell Bunny. I absolutely love this skirt. I actually just went to Europe and I wore this skirt and I posted pictures and everybody said that they loved it. So here it is again in my style video. And I have to make sure that I'm centered when I make these videos because in Instagram format, if I'm not in the center, you don't see me. I also don't like the feeling of wearing boots just with nylons. I still have to wear socks. And I absolutely cannot wear boots without socks. I know this is like a thing, or girls that wear short socks with these. For some reason, I think boots look weird if you can't see the socks on the top. I don't know if this is just like my 90s grunge brain speaking or what it is really, but it's just a quirk in me, and especially with just nylons and no socks, I just think it feels really weird on your toes. I think these boots are TUK brand. And here are my earrings. Oh my gosh, this is an older video. I'm going through and you can still see my unfinished kitchen in the background. You can kind of tell the timeline by my bangs and by my unfinished kitchen. When you're watching these videos, these are my little... Hey, actually, where did those earrings go? I'll have to go hunt for them. I loved those earrings. I don't know where they went. And a little necklace. I think that one is on a Louis... No, I don't know. I'll have to look it up. I'll credit it in the little box below. Same with this little... Actually, this one I can't credit because it was a gift. I actually have no idea where that one came from, but it's a cute little, I don't know, starburst sprinkle thingy doodad. I'm really trying to get my collection of silver jewelry a little bit more extensive, but slowly but surely, I gotta go find those dagger or those sword earrings. Anyways, here's my finished look. Obviously, if you're in cold weather, put a jacket or a sweater on, but still a good fall/winter vibes outfit if you still want to wear a skirt. You can also wear more opaque tights too if you want to be a little warmer. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching, and be sure to also watch and listen to my new podcast, You're Creeping Me Out.